Hey, my friend, I need you to listen to me very carefully because what I'm about to share with you has the power to change your life in just 3 days. And I don't say that lightly. I know what it feels like to be stuck, to feel like no matter what you do, things just aren't shifting the way you want them to. But I also know this, you are way more powerful than you think. You see, there's a reason why things in your life are the way they are right now. Every single thing you experience, from the big events to the smallest details, is a reflection of the conversations you have with yourself every single day. Yes, you heard that right. The way you talk to yourself when no one else is around. That's what's shaping your reality. Now, before you tell me, but I've tried affirmations before and nothing changed. Or, I don't know if I believe in this, I just need you to trust me for 3 days. That's it. 3 days, because if you can commit to talking to yourself differently, in the way I'm about to teach you, your entire energy will shift, and you'll start seeing things move in your favor faster than you ever thought possible. Let me ask you something. When was the last time you truly listened to yourself? You really paid attention to the words running through your mind all day? For most of us, we don't even realize it. But our inner dialogue is often filled with worry, self-doubt, and limitations. I don't know if I can do this. What if it doesn't work out? Why does this always happen to me? But here's what Neville Goddard taught. The words you speak to yourself, whether out loud or in your mind, are shaping your future. Every doubt, every complaint, every what if filled with fear, use a planting seeds. And I don't want you planting the wrong seeds anymore. So for the next 3 days, I want you to do something radically different. I want you to talk to yourself as if everything you want is already yours. I want you to wake up and say, wow, my life is unfolding so beautifully. Everything always works out for me. When you look in the mirror, I want you to say, I am powerful. I am chosen. I am so incredibly worthy of all the good coming my way. And when your mind starts to drift into worry, when those old doubts creep in, you stop them right there and say, no, that's not my story anymore. My life is magical. Everything I desire is flowing to me now. At first, it might feel strange. Your old beliefs will try to fight back. You might hear that voice say, but that's not true yet. And that's where I need you to push through. Because your subconscious doesn't know the difference between imagination and reality. What you consistently affirm, your mind accepts as truth. Now you might be wondering, but what if I don't believe it yet? Let me tell you a secret. You don't have to believe it immediately. You just have to say it and keep saying it. Because when you do, something magical happens. Your mind starts adapting. It starts shifting. It starts finding ways to prove you right, and that's when reality bends. Neville Goddard called this the inner conversation technique, because your external world is just a reflection of your inner dialogue. So if you've been struggling with money, instead of thinking, I never have enough, I want you to start saying, money is flowing to me in expected and unexpected ways. I am always taken care of. If you've been feeling lonely, instead of thinking, no one truly understands me, I want you to say, I am surrounded by love. The right people are drawn to me effortlessly. If you've been doubting your dreams, instead of thinking, I don't know if I can do this, you tell yourself, I was born for this. Success is inevitable for me. For 3 days, just 3 days, I need you to commit to this. Because here's the thing, what's the worst that can happen? You go 3 days feeling more empowered, more hopeful, more aligned with the version of yourself you actually want to be? That doesn't sound so bad, does it? But I'll tell you what's more likely to happen. When you start speaking to yourself this way, the world around you will respond. You'll start noticing things shifting. Small signs at first. Maybe an opportunity will come out of nowhere. Maybe someone will say exactly what you needed to hear. Maybe a situation that seemed stuck will suddenly resolve itself. Because when you align your inner world with what you desire, the outer world must follow. That's not wishful thinking. That's how the mind works. And listen, I know what it's like to doubt. I know what it's like to be stuck in old patterns, wondering if anything will ever change. But I also know this. The moment I started changing my inner conversations, my life started shifting in ways I couldn't have imagined. And I want the same for you. Now, before I go on, I just want to say something real quick. If you're someone who loves journaling or having a structured way to keep yourself accountable while you do this, I've put together some powerful self-help tools just for you. I've got daily journals, a gratitude journal, a manifestation planner, and even an ebook filled with powerful affirmations to help you shift your mindset in just 30 days. These aren't just ordinary journals. They're designed to help you retrain your mind, get clear on your desires, and speed up your manifestations. So if you want to take this practice even deeper, you can check them out on my Buy Me a Coffee page. I'll leave the link below. And if you feel like supporting the channel, it truly means the world to me. But most importantly, I just want you to start using these techniques, because I know they work. Now, back to what I was saying. There's something else you need to know. You are not your past, whatever has happened before. However things have been, it does not define you. So if you're sitting here thinking, but I've always struggled, things have always been hard, I need you to understand, the past only repeats itself if you keep telling the same story. And we're not doing that anymore. Starting today, we're telling a new story. And in this story, you win. You are successful, you are magnetic, you are loved, you are worthy, you are abundant. And you're not just gonna say these words, you're gonna feel them. Because when you feel it real, when you talk to yourself in this new, empowering way, you become unstoppable. So let's do this together. For the next 3 days, talk to yourself like you're already living your dream life. Walk around with the energy of someone who already has everything they desire, and watch what happens. I promise you the shift will come, and when it does, you'll look back at this moment and realize you were powerful all along. Now before you go, if this message resonated with you, do me a favor, hit that like button so more people can hear this message. Subscribe if you want more content like this, because trust me, I have so much more to share with you. And if you have a friend who needs this reminder, send it to them. Let's uplift each other. Let's grow together. I appreciate you. Thank you for being here. And remember, the best is yet to come. See you soon.